Good morning. This is numerologist Uttam Dave, and today I'm going to talk about psychic number 4. So, psychic number 4 are all those people who are born on the 4th, on the 13th, on the 22nd, uh, which amounts to 4, and finally, which other number would amount to 4, that is 31. So I'll again repeat, people with psychic number are all those people who are born either on the 4th, the 13th, the 22nd or the 31st of any month. By the way, I am also a psychic number 4, so I feel a lot of pleasure in announcing my strengths, and also I do not have any hesitation in also announcing my weaknesses. So let's begin with the first, which is self-disciplined. Yes, number 4 people are very self-disciplined, and by the grace of God I am also very self-disciplined when it comes to my work. The second is that they are very practical. Yes, I am very practical in that sense. Know-how. Yes, one of the characteristics of number 4 people is that they are very clear about the know-how of something. I do not like to do things which I do not understand. I need to understand the entire process and also understand why I am doing certain things, which of course I know many other people who are born either on the 4th, 13th, 22nd or 31st. They are almost like me. Take the case of Barack Obama, who was born on 4th August. Patient, yes. Again, another blessing of God. Number 4 people are very patient in whatever they do. They do understand the importance of patience in life. They are very dutiful and very loyal. Yes, again a blessing of God. They are always focused on long-term goals. Yes, they are. They are very systematic. Take the case of Preeti Zinta. Again, I would say about myself that yes, I do not like to do things in a very chaotic fashion. There should always be an order to whatever I do. Serious, yes, I am always very serious. My friends tell me don't be so serious, but well, I'm generally very serious about life. And now coming to the negative things. Yes, well, if I've said good things about myself, I'm going to say even weaknesses of myself. And to a great extent I have worked on my weaknesses. I'm still working on them. So let's begin with the first one. They're overly cautious. Yes, I am overly cautious, and I have kind of worked with that tendency. They are very dogmatic. Yes, they are dogmatic, but yes, only in relation with certain things, not everything. They are overly strict. Yes, I am overly strict, and I have often been told not to be overly strict, but yes, I have also given freedom where it is required. But yes, number 4 people I do know many people who are overly strict. Reactionary. Yes, definitely I would say that I am a reactionary. I just cannot take things as they are, and I would definitely like to make the world a better place, even if that makes me a reactionary at times. And a little bit of jealousy. Well, we human beings are born with jealousy, but then as I said, that if you have to work on your jealousy, you have to be spiritual minded, which I already am, and I'm trying to be more and more spiritual, and that has helped me a lot in curbing my tendency of being jealous. So now, instead of being jealous, I actually enjoy people's success and everything, and of course now the whole emotion of jealousy does not bother me anymore. So if you are a psychic number 4 like me, I have told you about the positive aspects and the negative aspects. If I can work on my negative aspects, so can all of you. So all you 4 number men and women, do work on your negatives, change them into positives, and you too can be successful like me, or others who were born on the 4th. You can be successful like them too. Thank you so much.